Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select who can see your Facebook story, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on this home button down below on the left side corner of the screen, and then click on the your story button at the top. After that, you should click on this more button next to the X icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on edit story privacy. Here you can see that you have three options concerning your story's privacy. So you can select who can see your story for 24 hours, only your friends, or you can customize, so you can select your friends to whom you want to share your story, or with whom you want to share your story, and then you can also hide your story from certain people. All you have to do is clicking on the search button, and then or search bar at the top, type in their username, click on them, and then click on the done button, so that they won't be able to see your story. When you are done, click on the save button at the top, and then it will be set automatically. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.